All right, so the K Rochelle on TikTok. PS5, I haven't been able to download any games or anything because it kept saying full storage even though it was nothing on it. Ooh, full storage issues are kind of weird sometimes on these devices. Could be a corrupted system database. Try and boot it into safe mode, holding the power button until you hear that second beep. I would maybe go in and try and rebuild the database, and then, if not, maybe try and clear the cache from there. The problem you're going to run into with that, size unit did you get? Nah, that's got to be a bad database. Rebuild that database, clear that cache. I'm going to send you an email, and we'll talk about that. I think you just need to rebuild that database. I think once you do that, you'll be back in business. You might be able to get that done before we're done answering this next question. Rochelle, I can't. I'm struggling seeing people's comments tonight, but if you're out there, you might be able to get it done before the end of the stream. Let's see, if you want to go ahead and jump into stream for tomorrow's queue, go to techyamolabs.com/live. All right, appreciate y'all hanging out with me thus far. We've not had as many technical issues as I thought we were going to.